What up, guys? Today I'm going to the River Fest in Huron. So it's gonna be pretty cool. So right now I'm just bored. I have no idea what to do because I'm really bored. Yeah. Oh my god. I obviously hate being bored, so you'll get used to it. Today. I got my monster shirt on. Pretty cool. Yeah, I got it from Tennessee when May. In May, me, my mom, and my dad all went to Tennessee and Kentucky. So, and apparently we had to travel through North Carolina, like at least 2 different states to go back to Ohio. I don't know why. It's just stupid. Because we had to travel through Pennsylvania, North Carolina. Wait, no. Yeah, wait. No. Wait. I don't know. I'm so, I think we had to travel through Pennsylvania. Either that or Virginia. I think we just had to travel through Virginia. And then, North Carolina. I don't know why. But, anyways. Yeah, so I'm going to the camping, how can that talk today? Over to the River Fest in Huron. So, yep.
Like wooden.
Hey guys, what's up?
Why are you talking? There's no sound.
It's recording.
Sean, you are doing that, are you?
Yeah, I am.
There's no sound and he's talking.
No, it'll be sound on, there's a sound on YouTube, or on my computer, so.
Will you hear what we're saying?
Yeah. On the computer, yeah, but not on this. For some stupid reason, but anyway. Yeah, so we are walking to the River Fest. It's really cool. She hasn't been here before. So, Ariana.
I don't know if I have, I don't remember.
He probably will. You'll be like, oh, I remember that.
I've been here.
Yeah.
I'm such a smart person that I forget where I've been.
Holding a blanket here.
Looking sexy. Oh, I just that face. Thank you so much for that face.
You're welcome.
Oh my gosh.
My mom.
She cut herself shaving and she went through lots of bandages.
Yeah.
Does it look like I need to know that?
I'm cut myself shaving. It's in the back of my ankle and then right over here.
Does it look like I need to know that?
I don't know where that came from.
Okay, so, anyways, we are going to the River Fest, like I said.
Look at me.
Sure, yeah.
Oh, thank you for the enthusiasm. I appreciate it. Love, God.
We're going to the fireworks. And we're going to be meeting some people here, so.
Shorts are short.
Yeah.
Do you think they're too short?
No.
My grandpa calls them Daisy Dukes. I call them my Daisy Dukes.
Okay, that's nice.
I'm like, where are my Daisy
Dukes?
Like, I don't know where your Daisy Dukes are.
Yeah.
Daisy Dukes.
I'll do like a question.
I'll
do the question of the day later, so, bye. See you at the fireworks.
Turns out my Daisy Dukes were in a crock.
Just getting it. Okay, let's getting it now. About time. It's like it's a little late because my camera was on the game.
Hey, don't want to come and knows my dad. This guy knows the whole family. His name's Brian. He knows the whole family. My dad's dad. No, my dad, my grandfather. No, Brian knew him. Bob. Got your hat. Probably got your hat, James. That you. What's that?
Woo! Holland goal! Let's turn on some air. Holy smoky! Woo, doggy!